Hi, my name is Daniel Peoples, and I am your local Chevy expert. Here with me today, I have the 2026 Chevy Silverado. It's a Z71. It's equipped with a 6.2 liter, and it is the Trailboss edition, okay? The most important features that are gonna stand out with this truck are gonna be the all-terrain tires, the factory lift, and if you're looking for a truck with multiple capabilities, this will be the vehicle for you, okay? With the Trailboss Z71, equipped with a 6.2 liter V8, you're getting 420 horsepower and 460 pounds of torque, giving you all the power you need for towing, hauling, or just enjoying a classic V8 with performance. The Trailboss comes from the factory already lifted with off-road suspension, skid plates, and aggressive all-terrain tires, so it's ready for the trail right off the lot. Inside, you'll find modern technology, large touchscreen, premium comfort features, and advanced safety systems. If you want a truck that looks aggressive, sounds amazing, and can handle work during the week and adventure on the weekend, this Silverado Trailboss checks every box.